Okay, welcome the second video about geometry problem. So let's solve the second problem, the third side. Okay, yesterday we solved the problem about square. Yeah, we studied the basic knowledge about square and how to design a program to solve that problem. So today let's talk about the triangle. So if you are a primary school student, maybe you study the triangle. Let's talk about something about triangle. So let's draw a triangle. This one is a triangle, right? So we know this side is 2, this side is 4, and this side is 5. We know this side and plus this side, it is greater than other side because we know some basic math knowledge. This side is A, this side is B, and this side is C. So A plus B greater than C. This is a basic knowledge about geometry. Yeah, because this is a triangle, right? So we know this basic point about geometry. So let's talk about how to solve this problem. Let's talk about what this problem tell us need to do. So firstly, he give you some side, right? These test cases have 3 sides. This one have 1, and this side have many. So we need to do choose a maximum possible value of only last element on this line. So how to do that? First, this is the last side and they are before, so we need to find the max value. So how can we do that? First, you need to calculate the sum of these test cases, and you need to minus A plus B, and you can find the max value. So for example, you can see my code. Firstly, you need to read the test cases, right? So there are 4 test cases, and you need to read the 4 test cases, and for each test cases you need to read elements. So you can see these test cases have 1, these test cases have 3. So you need to set in a variable, integer variable n, and read n. So the next is calculate the sum of 3 sides, and you need to use a for loop to solve this problem. Setting an integer a and read the a, and this one is same like sum, same like a plus a. Okay, you can write this and you can write this. It is same. So you need to calculate the sum of 3 sides. So next step is minus A and B and 2 sides. Because you know you need to calculate the max variable. So we need to sum other side, and this one is the max. So you can see. So firstly, we have 3 elements, 2, 4, 5. So if we want to get the max, and we just need to calculate this 2 plus 4 plus 5. This is 11, right? So, and calculate them. 2 plus 4 is 6. 11 minus 6 is 5. So this one is max. So this is a math point about solve this problem. So you really need to study some basic knowledge. So this is the solution about this problem. I hope you can understand what I'm saying. So let's start to submit our code. Okay, here and submit. Let's see what happened. Okay, running on test 1. Let's refresh. Okay, accept. Well done. So this is the solution about this problem. So in tomorrow, no, in this afternoon, I need to go to school and study my high school knowledge. Yeah, so I don't have time to update some video in this week, but in next Friday I'll update some new things on my channel. So don't forget subscribe our channel and see you next time. Peace.